In this video, I'll be guiding you guys on how to connect your Xbox controller to your iPad for PUBG. So let's get started. To connect an Xbox controller on an iPad for playing PUBG, you want to first make sure your controller is compatible. Xbox One controllers with Bluetooth and all Xbox Series X or S controllers work perfectly fine. Now, start by turning on Bluetooth on your iPad, and to do that, just want to go to settings and then Bluetooth, or just go to your control center by swiping your finger downwards from the top right of your iPad corner and making sure Bluetooth is turned on. Now, take your Xbox controller and turn it on by pressing the Xbox button, and by that I mean this button right here. Let me choose. Right, this button right here. When I go ahead and press that, make sure your Xbox controller is on, and then you want to press and hold the small pairing button on the top of the controller until the Xbox logo starts flashing, and by that I mean this one right here that's already marked. This pairing a small little button on the top of your Xbox controller, you want to go ahead and hold it until your logo, this one, starts flashing like this. It should start flashing, turning on and off like that. And this means the controller is in pairing mode. So now on your iPad's Bluetooth screen, so going back to Bluetooth, on your iPad's Bluetooth screen, you should see Xbox wireless controller appear under available devices. So if I go ahead and go to within seconds, and under other devices down here, you should see your Xbox wireless controller show up. You want to go ahead and tap it to connect, and once connected, the Xbox logo will stay solid, confirming the connection. Now after that, you just want to go ahead and open PUBG on your iPad. The game automatically detects a controller, so there's no complicated setup really needed. For PUBG, if you don't have it for whatever reason, you can just go ahead and get it from App Store for free. PUBG Mobile, right there. You can go ahead and download that. You can go into the PUBG settings to adjust controller sensitivity and button behavior if needed. Keep in mind that when you use a controller, PUBG will usually match you with other controller or emulator players for fair gameplay. So if the controller doesn't respond right away, restart the game or connect Bluetooth. That's it. Your iPad is now connected to an Xbox controller, and you're ready to enjoy smoother aiming, better movement, and a more console-like PUBG experience. So anyways guys, that'll be for this video. I hope it helped you guys out, and I'll be seeing